Okay, right now I'm gonna show you how I use this software and these 4 AI prompts to create 4,500 word blog posts in minutes. Step 1, blog ideas. Scroll down, enter your variables here in the spots provided. Once you've entered in all your answers, just click generate, then click confirm. Then with one click, I can copy this text. I like to paste it into my Google Drive document so I can keep track. Then I'm gonna select one of these ideas. I'll grab this first one. We're gonna copy it. Then I'm gonna go back to blogging ideas. Next, I'm gonna click on this number 2 blog titles prompt, scroll down and simply enter in the blog idea that we copied from the other output and hit generate. Then click confirm and boom, I got my output. I'm gonna click copy text. Again, I'm gonna paste this into my main Google Drive document to keep track. And I'm going to take this first title here. I'm gonna choose that one, go back to my blogging prompts. Then I'm gonna click on 3 blog outline, scroll down. Then simply, we're going to paste in our working title. We're going to copy our blog idea. Then we're gonna paste our blog idea in the top here. And the call to action for our blog is going to be take a free 14-day trial. Hit generate, hit confirm, and let the AI do its magic. And just like that, we have our entire blog outline complete with image ideas and related blog content. Now, I'm gonna click copy text, paste it in my Google Doc, and the final prompt is going to allow me to expand upon these subcategories. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab all of this, copy that, go back to my blogging prompts, click on blog sections, number 4, simply scroll down, paste in the section text, grab the working title that we decided to use right here, paste that in, hit generate, hit confirm, boom, there we go. There's our expanded upon section. I'm gonna copy that text. We're gonna go back to our Google Doc. We're gonna scroll down to that area inside of our blog. We're gonna put this right inside here, and then we're gonna grab this next one. We're gonna copy that, go back to this, and simply just take out this section text, paste this in, hit generate, hit confirm, and let the AI do its job. Again, we're gonna copy all of our content here, back to our Google Doc. We're gonna paste that in where it goes here in number 2. Then we're gonna go ahead and grab the 3rd section, and we're gonna do the same thing for these last 2 as we did for those. We're simply gonna paste this in. We're gonna hit generate, hit confirm, let the AI do its job. Go ahead and hit copy text, paste it into your Google Doc, copy the next section, paste it in here, generate, confirm, and boom. Copy the text, paste it into our Word doc. I know it's getting repetitive. That's how easy this is. Copy this last one, paste this in the bottom here. Go ahead and hit generate, hit confirm, and again, finally let the AI do its magic. Click copy text, paste it into your Google Doc, and finally, we're gonna go ahead and scroll to the top, click on help, and type in word count. Click on count words, and we have a 4,126 word blog post in literally a matter of minutes. Of course, you're gonna go through, you're gonna touch it up, you're going to add your own bit of whatever you wanna add to it, but the point is, everything is here. And by the way, every one of these sections comes with an image description already built in, so you can go ahead and pop that into the AI chat, get DALL-E 3 to come up with a good image for your post. Go ahead and post your blog post literally, 10 times faster than you used to be able to do it. So I hope you found this valuable. Go get your free trial of PromptROI today, and we'll see you on the other side.